What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the 79 once again. We've been working on this truck quite a bit here lately, like the new fuel tank, distributor, all that fun stuff. Today we're going to be more focused on the wheels here. They have been neglected for a little while just because it's been sitting in here. There's a bird poop, some dust, and all that. So we're going to be trying something today. We're going to be polishing up. I bought this on Amazon for like 25-30 bucks or something for all these different cones and the polishing balls and stuff. So we're going to be using a fine cut clear. I mean, this is super fine, and then a machine glaze. But first we're going to wash the wheel, all of them. So I'm going to have to back it up and get it over there. We're going to wash it with some just degreaser, Dawn's dish soap, just to get it all nice and clean. I wouldn't use a actual like Rain-X wash or anything like that, or anything that's got like a wax or anything built in, because then you're just going to be, when you wash them, it's not really going to be getting it clean. You're just going to be putting like a wax over top of it, and then the dirt and grease and whatever else on the wheel will still be on there. So then you're just basically going to be rubbing it in there. That's why we want to use like a degreaser soap, like Dawn's dish soap or something along those lines, to actually break down that grease to get it all clean, and then we'll be starting with a fresh surface to be polishing them. So I'm going to go ahead and move the jack stand, get the truck backed up over here over top of the drain. I'm just going to use the garden hose, spray a little water on there, get some dish soap mixed up in the wash bucket right there. And like I said, we're just going to be using probably a microfiber just to get them nice and clean. And then we're going to be trying to polish out any light scratching and any nastiness, and then we'll be coming back with a nice wax and waxing them. So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so you can tell we got the wheel and tire off. I washed it, rinsed it. Now I'm just gonna take my nice microfiber here and just wipe all the water up. I got the fan blowing on these ones over here to kind of air dry them and just to kind of dry out the floor. So hopefully they'll be ready to go. I'm just gonna do one at a time, work my way around the truck, see how it goes. It might take me 20 minutes, it might take me 2 hours on one wheel. I guess we'll find out. And it all depends on what kind of finish you want to go for. If you're just going for just an okay finish, it might take you 20 minutes. But I'm going to try and get these to shine back up to their former glory here. Like I said, they literally have been sitting. The truck was parked outside for the longest time until I got it in here. So we're going to try and get them polished back up, get that nice gloss black shine back. And yeah, we're going to go from there. So I'm going to get it wiped down, grab my stuff, and get over here. And I'll hopefully set the camera up to a good angle so you guys can see it. But yeah, we're gonna get on with this thing. Much better, guys. Hopefully you guys can see that all right. I know there's a glare from outside and the shop lights aren't the greatest because, I mean, well, you can obviously tell. But that is much better. It's actually got a shine. I mean, you can see around the ring there how shiny it is, and right here. So what I did is I started off with the orange polishing cone. I feel like it's the less aggressive one out of these three, out of the yellow, blue, and orange. So I kind of set them up in this order. I figured that's how they went. And then the red and black, I'm not 100% sure. They both feel pretty much the same. But I started off with the orange with the fine cut clear. I basically worked it in one direction. I went with the wheel. So the scratches would be this way, the real fine ones. And then I got the red ball. I'm trying to think of a name of it. I was gonna say cone, but that's not a cone. And then the machine glaze, and I went in motion. So I went up and down with it, and then I went side to side, kind of just to erase those scratches. And I mean, I can't see any at all in there. So it looks like it worked really well. And then I came back with Meguiar's liquid wax. Put it on there, let it sit for, it says 3 to 5 minutes. So I just kind of played on my phone while it kind of hazed up, and then wiped it off, and I mean, it is clean. I think I'm gonna follow it up now with some of the TLC, the last coat, the ceramic coating they have. I'm basically just gonna spray it on there, grab a microfiber and wipe it clean, and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, guys. Super easy stuff to use. I've made a video on it before, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and then we're gonna get it thrown back on the truck, and we're just gonna continue around. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys an update. We are done. I think it's about 4 o'clock, so it took me, it's 3:56, so it took me about 3 hours to do everything, start to finish, from pulling them off and then polishing them and all that fun stuff. So obviously you guys seen from those clips, we polished them, and then I machine glaze, basically like a finishing glaze on there. Then we waxed it, let the wax sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. And it wasn't like a spray wax, it was like a paste or a liquid that we put on there. And then I came back with the TLC last coat ceramic coating and finished it up with that. I mean, just look at the shine on them. You can tell they're so much better. I'm trying to get like the light reflection. Obviously, if you get down in here, you won't really get a reflection off of them, but I'll show you each wheel. Like I said, guys, I used the cone first just because they're more abrasive, kind of get some of the dust, I guess I'll call it, from sitting outside and stuff. So we got that all nice, wiped it off, and then we came back with the machine glaze, hit it all, wiped it off, and then we did the liquid wax, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, excuse me, wiped it off, and then we did the ceramic coating. You guys already seen that wheel. That was the first one I did. We'll come around to the passenger side here. Yeah, look at that shine. Like a mirror. Yeah, that definitely looks better. My decal. They totally needed it. It looks way better. You guys can do this at home. It's not super hard. As long as you guys have a drill, either cordless or corded, it doesn't matter. Just be careful. If you got deep dish wheels like this, be careful around like your edges and stuff. Be sure you don't like hit the lip or scuff on the inside or anything, because then you're just going to cause more damage to the wheel. But like I said, it took about 3 hours. If you guys don't want to take them off, leave them on. I mean, it's just going to be a little bit harder to kind of hit up on like this area up in here. But I decided to take mine off. I laid some stuff on the ground so I didn't scuff the back of them. They turned out fantastic. Now, if they get dirty, I should be able to just spray them straight off since they got the ceramic coating on them. Next, I just need to get the front bumper painted, and the truck's starting to come together. So it looks pretty good. I need to get these bevels off and get these all cleaned up. I'll probably just paint them black because they are all chewed up and stuff. But I don't know if I'm going to keep this the way it is for now, or if I'm going to paint it black. But that being said, I have parts coming for the 98. I have parts coming for this thing. We are looking at some new waxes and stuff from Jack's Wax. It's a company. I'm going to give them a try. But yeah, that's basically this video, guys. I just kind of want to show you how to polish some wheels and stuff. And yeah, they definitely look way better. I'll put a before and after picture in the end of the video. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. Guys, remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. Thanks for stopping in. If you're new, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.